Okay, so today I'm going to introduce you something that will prove even further that these will work. Okay, now remember, in many of my videos, I stated in many of my videos, you don't need any equipment, you don't need anything to prove that this will work. Yeah? Because I have invented something else to prove it. And I said later on, I will introduce it. Well, today, that is the day that I'm going to introduce you to what's in this box. What's in this box will prove even further what I have invented and what I have created. Okay? Now, for the people who does not think, for the people that who do not think that EMF is hurting people, I dare you. I will double dare you to create what's in this box when I'm going to reveal it in a second. I double dare you. You won't. Because it will scare your bipolar booty to the whip. That's how we said it in the hood. Ha ha ha. It would scare you to the whip. And yes, when I invented this, I didn't know, honestly, when I invented this, I did not know what world I was about to enter. And yes, I'm very proud of that. Because it will prove furthermore of what these things can do. Just a warning. Here's a warning. If you are EMF sensitive, or the world coined as EMF sensitive, or the world doesn't think that low radiation, low form of radiation is actually more harmful. Radiation actually have a scale. You cannot stay in the high and you cannot stay in the low. It has to be in between. It's like a temperature. Yup. And I will prove that to you even further later on too. I even show you something that all of our lives, all the human history, radiation was actually showing all this to us. Electricity has been trying to show us all this time, and humans have not, or I don't know, I don't know what to call human, have not even figured out. And yes, I will show you how to figure it out in 2 seconds. Yes, 2 seconds. And you don't even need anything. But anyway, here comes a big reveal, and I will explain it to you. Okay, what's in this box right here? What is in this box? You do not want to go into this world. It will help you, yes, a little bit. And I will explain all those in others videos later. But today, I just want to reveal it. What is in this box? Boom. It's the same thing, but it's reversed. And no, I don't want to touch it, so I'm going to put it in here, okay? I don't want to get in that world. I hate to get into this world. And I am telling you, people who are EMF sensitive, do not, and I said do not get into that world. Right now, I have already started to get affected, and I just touch it for a few seconds. Okay? I'm going to leave it all on there. Seconds that I've been touching. I already feel its effect already. Yup. And I dare anyone who is skeptical about what I have created here, Make these and wear it for 24 to 48 hours. Just 24 to 48 hours. And you will see what happened to your body. Remind you again, I will give you a warning. And yes, I will give you a warning. Do not do it. But if you are skeptical about these, okay, and what does this do? What does it do? Make these and wear them 24/7, 2 to 3 days, and you will see how EMF sensitivity people feels when they don't even have it on. Very simple. How to make this? I did it in reverse. Copper. How did I do this? Copper on the outside. Stainless steel is the coil. It is in reverse of this. And yes, because of that, I have actually made more discoveries. And that will prove what this bracelet will do to us, or help us, how it can help us further. Yup. All you need is 2 metals. 100% copper, stainless steel, or iron core wire. Coil it. This is the pen version. And I have the video up here to make it. Coil it to about 30 coils. 20 to 30 coils. I would suggest 30 coil. Make about 4 of these. Make about 4 of them. Put them on. You will not last 3 days. Guarantee. And for the people who do not and does not think that this will work, I double dare you to make those and wear them like this. Wear them for 3 days like this. I double dare you. 3 days. Just 2 on each hand. You wouldn't dare to do 6. Just 2 on each hand like that. Okay? And I double dare you on the video. I double dare you to wear these just like these with this. Notice I don't even want to touch it. Okay? I double dare you to make it. To prove me that I am wrong about these. You will see what happened to your body. I am telling you, when I made the discovery of these, I said, what happened if I reversed it? I reversed it. I have made more discoveries, which I will tell you all about in other videos. But this video is not about that. This video is about to proving the concept of this. Even though when I have test videos up here, I actually made something further to prove what these bracelets can do and will do to our body or help our body. But these bracelets here will not. And you will not last 3 days. After 3 days, you're going to run. But if you don't believe me, I double dare you to make these. I double dare you to make these. 4 to 6 of these and put it on and wear it for 3 days. Just 3 days. You will know exactly how EMF sensitivity people feels. And I am going to give you warning before I end this video. Do not do it. But if you don't believe me, what these bracelets can do, I double dare you to make those right here and wear them. And you will see what EMF sensitivity, or the world coined as EMF sensitivity, feels like. Although many of my videos, it is not EMF sensitivities. You are actually absorbing. Remember that. These works the opposite. And I will give you one warning before I go. You will absorb low EMF, low radiation. And yes, this will prove what low radiation will do to a human body. And like I stated many times in my other videos, that I will reveal this. But EMF sensitivity, people, please heed my warning. Do not do these bracelets and wear them. I will show you how later. But this video is not about that. This video is for the people who is skeptic about what I have invented. And if they don't believe it, I double dare them to make these bracelets right here. It's very easy to make it. And I double dare them to make it and wear it for 3 days. That's it, just 3 days. They will know how it feels. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, but most importantly, you're going to learn something about these bracelets. I will see you in the next video.